Hey y'all, it is ice cream season and I am here at one of my favorite ice cream shops in Birmingham, Alabama, Big Spoon Creamery. They make ice cream out of tea, cereal, and even goat cheese. So today, I am challenging them with making ice cream out of one of my favorite Southern foods, cornbread. Thank you so much for having me. Y'all are seriously my favorite ice cream shop on the planet.
Thank you so much. We're excited to have you here.
How do you come up with all the interesting flavors?
A lot of them are sort of reminiscent of old favorite childhood desserts, or a lot of what we do is based on local and seasonal ingredients. So we use a lot of local goat cheese and produce and berries and things like that.
One of the things I love most about Big Spoon is the flavors aren't so crazy. They're very approachable, but there's always one little twist.
Why don't we just start here on the left? This is Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It's a staple on our menu.
This is one of my favorites when I come to Big Spoon. I think most people agree.
If we ever take it off the menu, people get pretty upset.
So y'all know whenever you finish a bowl of Cinnamon Toast Crunch and you can drink the milk at the end, this is exactly what it tastes like.
That's the idea. So this is goat cheese strawberry hibiscus. This is really one of my favorites. It's local goat cheese from an awesome farm here called Stone's Hollow Farmstead, and then we're also using some local strawberries from Coleman.
Whenever you spread cream cheese on a cracker and you put the jelly on it, that's what this is.
This is vegan pineapple upside down cake. We use coconut and rice milk for this one with brown sugar and rum. It just feels like summer vacation to me.
Oh my gosh, it tastes just like pineapple upside down cake. I love the rum in there. And I'm always so excited to try y'all's vegan flavors because you will never know they're vegan. These were awesome, but I am so curious to see what y'all are gonna do with the cornbread.
Well, we'll get you into our production kitchen. I'll introduce you to Jerry, Martha, and our production team, and they'll see what they can do with it.
All right, let's get back to it.
All right, let's do it.
We're infusing cornbread with milk today.
Yes, this is one of our favorite tricks we do. We love it, doing milk infusions, cold brews, things with teas. It's a really neat way to make ice cream.
This is like I'm making dressing for
right.
turkey and dressing.
That's right.
You think that's good?
Yeah,
that was
that's
400.
great. All right, so now we're gonna do 10,000 grams of milk. We make 20 quarts at a time. They weigh about 50 pounds each, so we're all cut back here.
Yeah, when I was in culinary school and working in a restaurant, they said, don't come unless you can lift 50 pounds above your head.
Yeah, that's right. All right, awesome.
And there we go.
So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this on our induction eye and we're gonna get it nice and steamy. And then we're going to infuse it for 20 minutes and then we're gonna strain it. And then we'll be ready to proceed with our ice cream formula.
Okay, I can't wait. My mom and my papa, they soak their cornbread in buttermilk or milk and they like to eat it as a snack. And so this is what this reminds me of.
That was my inspiration actually for this flavor because we're gonna add a bunch of fresh buttermilk at the end after we make the base. So it's gonna taste just like that. Then we're gonna add in our sugar and this is a beautiful organic cane sugar that we use.
It really is about the ingredients that go into it. Time to check out my muscles.
Yeah, you got it.
I'm so excited about this. It smells so much like cornbread whenever I'm pouring it. Like it's all coming up in my face.
We'll just grab this and then pop this in. So this is how we cool our bases down.
I need one of these at home whenever I'm wanting to cool down something.
So we really get upper body workout here in the fancy kitchen.
Oh yeah, I need to work here.
So I'm gonna have you measure out the buttermilk. It's 5,000 grams.
Okay.
And so then we'll whisk it and then we'll do immersion blend on that. No shortcuts around here, so lots of love.
I feel like I'm dancing.
Now it's time to churn the ice cream, my favorite part. All right, so this is our Carpigiani. We call him Johnny because he's Italian. We just got him this past year, so he's brand new. We love him so much.
This does all of the ice cream that y'all produce.
That guy right there. We'll keep him working. Push that button, Ivy.
Oh my goodness, here we go.
Yep.
That it? 8 minutes. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Thank you so much. This was so much fun, a dream come true for me. Be sure to check out Big Spoon this summer right here in Birmingham. And if you like what you saw today, be sure to check us out on Hey Y'all. You can like, comment, subscribe, and share. I told Jerry Martha earlier, what do they do if they're watching on YouTube?
Click the bell.
We'll see you next time on Hey Y'all.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.